Hello everybody, for today's video I have something to unbox. It's actually something special. I received this package today, which is like, I surprised that it's actually come earlier than we supposed to come. It's according to the system, it's supposed to become in December, but then suddenly come in October, which is like quite a surprise. So let's unbox what is it. It's been delivered by Ninja Van, which I don't really like them, as their delivery timing is quite a bit, very like 12 hours or like 9 to 9, which is like, I think so, 9 to 9. So which is that they can deliver anytime within that hours again. So we open. So let's see what is inside. So this is it. This is it. Now, so I guess all of you know what is this. Actually the McDonald's Pyjamas, which actually, when it was out on Monday, it was sold out within like 1 hour. Then when it was out, the system was having so much problem that not everyone get to actually buy it. But then McDonald's come out with a few orders, so that now in the end everybody can actually order it. So it comes with the, what is this called, the eye protection, or the, forgot what is it called, but it is the, and then cover your eyes when you fall asleep. And this is the pajamas actually inside this bag. It's inside its own pouch. It also come with the, actually, the voucher. This voucher is actually, it's supposed to be when you buy the happy sharing box, you can actually add, it's cost $24.90, including the pajamas. So when they do it's supposed to be when you buy this chicken together, then you get the pajamas. But then the system was having so much problem that they do a pre-order. So now I get the voucher to actually to claim the happy sharing box at all McDonald's to 30 June 2020. So now let's see the pajamas. This is the pajamas. This is the top. Basically it's the same for men and women, just that the difference is actually the pants. This is a shorts. This is actually the shorts. There's a reason I choose the woman's size, because it's actually the shorts is actually shorter than the men's short, which is like longer, and because of Singapore weather is very hot, so I rather get the woman's size shorts than the men's size short, which be very warm, especially these few days weather is very damn hot. And this is the pouch. It's the name of McDelivery. I know it's actually opposite because I'm using the front camera on my phone to record this. Well, currently I don't have my camera because I already order my camera is coming soon, which is like, I think end of the month or maybe in November. So we're going to do a proper video after that. And by the way, if you saw my rice cooker, because I'm doing this in my kitchen, which is like, this is the best place for me to do all my videos currently, before I get a background to do my videos. That's why you rarely see me doing a face-to-face video. So this is the, there's also say it's actually made of 50% nylon and 85% rayon, which is supposed to be only hand wash and do not iron. So this is the one. I'm not sure whether it's a bit rough though, the the feeling of the cloth. So I was gonna wear it, and then actually we post a picture of me in these pajamas. So do like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.